Welcome back, AVGT community. In this check ride, it's all about the A380 at SFO. SFO gets two A380s a day. One is British Airways, and the other one is Emirates. Both are so graceful in the skies. All video was taken on September 2nd and 3rd, 2023. As a reminder, our next live stream from SFO will be this Saturday, June 8th, 2024, and you'll get to see them live.
Make sure all seats are in the upright position and trays are put away before we take off.
Sounds like we got our permission to take off. Make sure your seatbelts are fastened. Sit back and enjoy the supers at SFO.
Subscribe now. the upright position and trays are put away.
Well, on that note, it's time for us to stow away our electronics. Don't forget to check out our Instagram at AVGeek Tours for daily photos, as well as our website AVGeekTours.com to see our upcoming trips. The links are in the description below. Join us again next time as we continue our journey. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy spotting.